Hello everyone, this is Group 1's presentation on the Customer Satisfaction Survey. Members of Group 1 consist of myself, Isabella Balderas, Deborah Benson, Samario Blanco, Charles Bonner, and Heriberto de la Fuente. We were responsible for analyzing the survey data on the following hospital consumer assessments of healthcare providers and system categories, also known as HCAHPS. Those categories were nurse communications, doctor communication, responsiveness of hospital staff, pain management, communication about medicines, discharge information, and care transition. As you can see, those categories are listed on the top row. Participants of the survey rated these categories using the Likert scale. From very dissatisfied 1, somewhat dissatisfied 2, neutral 3, somewhat satisfied 4, and very satisfied 5. The Likert scale is listed on the left-hand side of the chart. After calculating the Likert ratings for the 7 HCAHPS categories, it was found that a total of 700 participants responded to the survey.